Hello. So I'm back. Today is gonna be a tutorial on this look right here. I was inspired by two people who came up to me on Instagram. Who contacted me on Instagram and said, "Hey Sahar, why don't you do like a lava look, inspired look, lava something?" And I'm like, what? I'm not good at like special effects and everything, but I figured why don't I make like something like a wearable lava look, and I think I did a pretty good job. I do really like my eyes, and I really like how they pair well with my nails and my hair and my lips. I mean, if you want to see how I did this look, please keep on watching. By the way, my name is Sahar, yeah, and you're welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, yeah, welcome to my channel. If you want to see more videos, about makeup or anything in general, not really anything in general, but you know, makeup, beauty, tutorials, and maybe scary stuff, because I really want to get into that one day, please hit that I can't speak today. Please hit that subscribe button and like this video if you did, and comment down below what tutorial would you like to see next. So let's just get into the video. I know that you want to see how I did this, right? Yeah. There was like this thing with Catriona Grey, hashtag Catriona Grey, and in the Miss Universe pageant where her gown was like a lava looking gown, and then people seemed to really like the idea of having lava makeup inspired makeup, lava makeup inspired makeup. I thought, yeah, why not? So I have this lip from a previous makeup tutorial. Let's get into it. I did prime my eyes with the Morphe primer. What better palette to use than the Morphe 3502 palette? What could get, hey, I'm over here. What could get more lava than this? So yes, we're going to be using this palette. I have like my color switch fake dupe thing, brush cleaner right here, and we're going to be using that because all of my brushes are dirty. I have only a few brushes. So yeah, people think that's a lot, but not to me it isn't. So anyway, we're gonna go in with a color 10, and then we're just gonna build up our transition shade. I'm just gonna speed right through this so you don't get all the boring bits. And then every time I try to transition from shades, I'm just going to be using my brush cleaner. Okay, I want it to be a little bit more yellow, so I am going to be taking my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette for the yellow. Yeah. And then we're just going to build up that outer transition near my brow just to make it a little bit more deep. I'm dropping everything, I'm sorry. This is the color Ablaze. It's a beautiful orange. We're gonna go in and deepen up that crease with the color Ablaze, which is very fitting because, I mean, you know, volcano and ablaze. It's like volcanic. Just gonna build it up right next to that yellow shade, not overtaking the shade because we want that yellow to pop through. We love our yellows. Okay, and then next we're going to be deepening it even more by adding this color right here. This is the color Fire. So we're just going to put that all over the crease and a little bit over on the lid. Yes. Oh, that's already looking really fiery. And I really love this red. I love red shades. I love Blood Sugar palette. And I feel like every time I go on camera, I always mention that I've been saving for the Blood Sugar. Going back in with the color Ablaze, that orange color, and just adding to that transition because I feel like I put too much red in there. Going back into that yellow and then just building up over that orange just to make that transition very nice and smooth. I love this yellow. It's beautiful yellow. We're going to go in with a black this time. We're taking a little bit more of a precise brush, taking that black in that Morphe palette, and we're going to be, we're going to be destroying the look. No. We're just going to be adding some black right there. Not too intense. We just need to deepen it up because, again, we're going in for a lava look. And we're going to be cutting the crease in a moment, so we want it to be pretty intense. Okay, just lay that on there. You don't have to blend yet. We're going to be blending in a moment. Just draw that crease because it's nice to have like a cut crease wherein there's like a black or a dark shade that's right by the cut. You're gonna get it in a moment. So we're going in with a clean brush. I'm gonna be putting in some of that fire color, tapping off a lot of the excess, and then just going over that black just to you know, blend it in. We don't want that black to be very harsh. It's not a pretty look for me anyway. I don't like harsh lines. If you've been following me for ever since I started, practically ever since I started, I always mention that I don't like harsh lines. So yeah, we're just gonna go in and deepen up, not deepen up, but like smoothen out those harsh lines. Okay, I like it. So next we're gonna be cutting the crease. So I have my concealer, and I'm just gonna be going over the top part of my eye, just like that, and then I'm gonna be looking at you like some kind of weirdo. And then that's when I'm gonna start drawing. Again, do the same on the other side. Look at you like a weirdo. And then that's where I'm gonna start drawing. Sorry, my English is really bad because I'm like really in a hurry, because like my mom is like on her way. Like, I'm telling you, she's on her way. I don't want her to see me filming videos, because I mean, you try to explain to your mom that you're obsessed with makeup and you're filming this volcanic eye demon video. We're gonna go in with the shade Sauce, I think. This beautiful orange that it's the orange right next to a blaze, but it has shimmer. So, and don't worry about the sides looking messy. We're gonna clean it up in a while. Yeah. Next, we're going in with the same brush, and we're gonna go in with the color Ruby, which is right next to Fire, but it's like that red with the shimmer as well. Do the same on the other side. Don't worry about the black not looking good. We're gonna be adding black in a bit. Oh gosh, I like need another table. I need like 500 tables beside me so I can put all my products on the table, because right now I'm like sitting on the floor, if you can't already tell. Okay, then we're going in with a more precise brush again. Just any kind of blending brush. You can use the brush you used a while ago. It doesn't really matter. And then we're going in with that black in the Morphe palette, and then we're gonna deepen up that halo eye. Again, we're doing a volcanic lava inspired eye, and I really want it to be intense, so I'm going over that area with the black. I'm just deepening out the crease, the outer side, deepening the inner corner. I'm going to be taking the black over where I cut, and then it's going to be like that, intense. I couldn't find the footage of me doing this, but I did smoke out the black around the top of my eyes to give it a little bit more of a blended effect. And for the bottom of my lashes, of my eyes rather, I did blend in some yellow from the BH Cosmetics palette, and then I went in with a blaze from the Morphe 3502, and then I went with the black and smoked everything out, added some lashes, and then added some lipstick. I did an ombre lip. I just really like how it turned out. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I can't really speak today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that like button and comment down below what you'd like to see next. I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next one, because I already said that. Bye!